We get a lot of calls from potential clients who I'll visit with them about their car wreck and ask what happened. And oftentimes they say, well, I was going through the intersection, had a green light, the other driver had a red light, and they ran it. Sounds like a very simple case, very easy to prove who's at fault. Unfortunately, it's not always that easy. If there's no witnesses to verify who had a red light, who had a green light, and the other driver says, oh, my light was green too, then it's basically a war of words, and you really can't win that case. You can't meet your burden of proof. So a lot of people who run red lights either are confused as to what color it was, or they're being dishonest, or they're just not sure what happened. But an insurance company, if there's a dispute as to the color of lights, who had red, who had green, they won't pay anything unless you can prove it. I just finished a case where my client was adamant that they had the green light, and I believed him. And the other driver said, no, my light was green, and I'm right and they're wrong. And no witnesses to this. So we went to the intersection where it happened. There was a small convenience store on the corner, and I actually went in, opened the door and talked to the owner and asked if he had any surveillance. I didn't think that he would, but he told me that he had been recently burglarized one too many times and had just put in a state-of-the-art surveillance system. Nice guy, invites me back to the back room, and we sit down, and sure enough, he has video showing the entire wreck. And we go back to the date where the wreck happened, watch the video, and I can't see the color of my client's light as they come through, but no question that the other driver's light was solid red, and they ran it, caused the wreck. I downloaded the video to my phone, back to the office, uploaded it, sent it right to the insurance company, and they changed their mind within 24 hours about who's at fault in this wreck. So just because you think you had a green light and another driver had a red light doesn't mean it's an easy case. So you need an experienced lawyer on your side to make sure it's investigated correctly, that all the evidence that we can gather is submitted to the insurance company, and the right decisions made on your